I just love bouquets of cupcakes. Welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. I'm Michelle. Let's get started and sweeten the world and make a lovely bouquet. I have 7 cupcakes here on a platter, and I'm putting a little bit of frosting on the bottom of my cupcakes so that my bouquet doesn't slide around. To make the beautiful roses, I am starting in the middle and just working my way around. When I get to the end, flick it off. This is tip 1M, and I'm using a red frosting because I have red roses. And I am continuing frosting my entire bouquet of roses. These are long-stemmed roses, so I'm using a round tip to create nice long stems out of green frosting. I am tying up my stems with a pretty red bow. I'm sharing my cake with a loved one, so I'm creating little hearts out of a round tip and making little shells. To complement my rose bouquet, I'm adding a few leaves. It's a beautiful touch. Now, if you've never made leaves before, it is so simple. I'm using tip 352 and squeezing it out to make nice little leaves. And there we have it. Our rose bouquet is done. It is absolutely beautiful, and oh my gosh, so easy. Thanks for watching Sweetwater Cakes. You go sweeten the world. Have a beautiful day, and click that subscribe button right over here.